Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. These are for your general energies, Taurus. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, guys, I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So you can stay tuned for that. Let's start with these cards first, guys. We have Knight of Swords, Queen of Pentacles in reverse and Queen of Cups. So in your situation, guys, Taurus, it may be in your work situation or relationship. You are someone who is really, ready for action. You are really devoted to your work, and you are someone who has that skill, talents, capacity, and someone with 100% concentration in your work, or it may be in your relationship. So whatever you decide or plan to do, you do it with that determination, strength and confidence, and that may be the reason things may move in a positive way in your work situation, guys, or it may be in your relationship because of your dedication. You want to do things in the right way, and maybe today for some reason you have something worrying you today. Maybe you fear certain things in your circumstance, maybe in your work, or something you expected to receive, you are not receiving it, or some kind of delays or suspensions you may see in your work, guys, or even in this relationship, maybe with this person you love. You are you are really caring and dedicated, devoted, honest to them, and you have their you are really concerned about this person's welfare, and you are doing things, you are taking actions based on the love you have for this person, but their actions are not speaking that honesty or dedication or love. Maybe for some reason they are not reciprocating your trust or love you have on this person, guys. So maybe you are suspecting certain things. You love this person, but what they reciprocate, it may not be love, and you are having a lot of suspicion on this person. You are doubting them, maybe, or you are fearing what will happen in this relationship, or what will be the outcome of this relationship. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have 10 of Swords, guys. So looks like what we saw with the previous cards. Maybe you may have some arguments, fights maybe, guys, with this person, and for some reason, for some of you, I also see a separation. It may be a temporary separation, guys, from this person you love. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It's 10 of Cups. So in your career situation, looks like things are going well, guys. You are going to taste success, happiness and prosperity, and everything is happening as you expected in your career situation, Taurus. So that is the reading for you all, Taurus. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Taurus, for your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside, the second card. Let's see what is the card for those who chose this card. It's a Crystal Spirits card here, guys, we have. And it is Passertin Garnet. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in this relationship or in your circumstance today, you have some kind of fear or something is holding you back from showing the other person what you truly are. And you are trying hard maybe to make people like you, but you need to understand that the person who is your perfect match, who is your soulmate, is waiting for you, and this person will love you for what you are, what you truly are, not for what you are trying to show about yourself, guys. So you need not worry. You are attractive, beautiful, and you are a beautiful soul as you are, and you need not feel worried or feel any kind of inhibition in showing your true nature, your true personality, your true characteristics. And you need not worry that other people may not feel comfortable with you, seeing you that way. So the right person is coming towards you, and you just have to show your authentic self in any situation. Stop hiding what you truly are, and stop trying to hide out of fear for other person, guys. And today is the right time you need to do that, and you need to realize that you are attractive and beautiful as you are, and this may be the time, the right time. Your soulmate will also recognize all that is attractive in you, and they will come towards you. You just have to be what you are truly, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card, the second card. It is the Wild Swans. Dedication. So this card just means that your story is a story of sacrifice. You have done a lot. You are doing a lot of things, sacrificing yourself, maybe physically, emotionally, but your sacrifice is without recognition, and you are doing it out of love for the other person, for someone in your life. And your sacrifice, it may look like a madness to the people around you. Maybe you are not revealing the truth behind your actions. So that may be the reason. Maybe you are devoted to some task or a mission. You have that single-mindedness in your work or in the task that lies ahead of you. It may look like madness. People may see you as someone engrossed in work, not interested to communicate to others. But you are doing something for a greater purpose today, guys. So You are moving towards the greater good of someone you love, and you are going to bring a great change in others' lives, guys, other person's life. And maybe we do not appreciate the work of a scientist or a great artist when they are immersed in their work. Only when we see the final results, we know the potential of their work, and we have the evidence of their skills and talents and their one single-minded passion. So you are doing something like that in your situation, or there is someone doing something like that in your situation, guys. And this is not the time for being judgmental. You just have to see the truth. Maybe your actions or this person's actions may appear bizarre, but they are doing it out of love, and there may be a time coming very soon when they are going to explain things to you guys. And maybe they do not need your approval, or if it is your situation, you do not need others' approval. Maybe you are doing something for a greater good for everyone, but a time will come when you will explain your actions, or when that other person is going to explain their actions. So the time for that great breakthrough is not very far, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.